Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Now I'm going to cook egg omelette. So I have here a sliced tomatoes. We will cook first these tomatoes in the pan with a little bit oil, just a little bit, guys. Then I'm going to add this sliced sausages. So this is our egg omelette with sausage, with tomatoes, and this paprika. First we will cook these three ingredients, then after we will add the eggs, and then we will add the cheese. Okay. So, let's add paprika powder. Okay, this is the paprika powder. A little bit of black pepper. And a little bit of salt. Okay. Then we will mix it. This is a very easy breakfast. Just cook little bit the tomatoes, the sausages, and paprika, all of them, or bell pepper, and then add your seasonings. And I have here the eggs. We will add the eggs, and we will mix it here. Okay. So let's just mix all together. So this is our egg omelette with sausage, tomatoes, and bell pepper. So this is it, guys. Very easy to prepare. And you can serve this one with your toast. And this can be the filling for your sandwich. Then now, we will add our sliced cheese on the top, okay? So that this cheese will be melted on the top of our egg omelette. Okay, so guys, this is our simple recipe for the breakfast egg omelette with sausages, tomatoes, bell pepper, and the toppings is the cheese. So now this is ready to be served, guys. Look at the cheese already melted. Look, and you can see, oh, it's creamy. So this is it. So you can fill this omelette on the top of your toast, on your sandwiches. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this simple recipe, egg omelette with sausages, tomatoes, and bell pepper. So if you like this simple recipe for your breakfast or for your dinner, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and if you're new to my channel, Leytenia'S Kitchenette, just subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my new videos. So please do watch my other videos. I have more videos. Just click on my playlist, how to cook egg omelette. So I have a different styles of or different method on how to cook egg omelette in a simple way, but it's yummy and healthy food. Bon appetit! You see the cheese stick on the ladle. Yahoo! This is it. Very, very yummy and juicy. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you will continue to support my channel, Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Bon appetit. Bye-bye.